Traditional method. You'll need hot water at about 70 degrees Celsius. Cool water. Brain tea yerba mate. A gourd and a bombilla. Fill 2/3 of your gourd with yerba mate. Add a splash of cool water. This helps release more caffeine. Insert your bombilla. Sip the cool water. Then refill with hot water. Repeat. I personally keep refilling for 2 hours straight. French press method. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of yerba mate to a French press. Pour in a little cool water. Add hot water and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Boom! Perfect yerba mate in minutes. Tea strainer method. Grab a fancy glass and a tea strainer. Fill the strainer with yerba mate and place it in your glass. Add a splash of cool water. Then pour in hot water. Steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Then enjoy. Cold brew method. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of yerba mate to a jar. Add your favorite herbs. Fill with room temperature water. Stir and seal. Refrigerate for 4 to 8 hours. Overnight is best. Pour over ice. Add honey or lemon. Share this refreshing delight with friends or enjoy it on the go.